Mr. Lim and Mr. Wong bought some light bulbs at prices shown below. So there's small light bulbs, there's large ones, right? The small one is going for 4 for $10, large one 3 for $16. Now, Mr. Lim bought an equal number of small and large bulbs. He spent $102 more on the large bulbs than the small bulbs. How many bulbs did he buy altogether? First question. Now, Mr. Wong, on the other hand, spent an equal amount of money on the small and large bulbs. What is the least number of large bulbs that he could have bought? Okay, now we tackle part A first. Mr. Lim bought an equal number of small and large. Now we know that the small light bulbs and the large light bulbs, they are going for different prices. So for $10 here, this is 3 for $16. At the moment, they are not equal in number because this is 4, this is 3. So what we need to do first is to make sure that we come out with a common multiple for 4 and 3, which you can actually just multiply by 3 throughout here, multiply by 4 throughout here, and you'll get 12 light bulbs for $30. Over here you get 12 large ones for 16 times 4. You can use a calculator for this, and you'll get $64. Now, if you buy 12 small and 12 large, you are buying an equal number for small and large, right? But the difference in amount will just be, okay, let's see that. 12 small, 12 large. The difference in amount in one group will be 64 minus 30, and that will just be $34 in one of these groups of light bulbs. But we know that this person spent $102 more for the large than the small. So how many of these groups do I need? I will need 102 divided by 34, which is the difference in each group. So basically we take the total difference, divide by the difference in each group, and we'll get 3 groups or 3 sets of light bulbs. How many light bulbs did you buy altogether? So in each group there's 12 plus 12, 24 in a set, and you have bought 3 sets. So 24 times 3, the answer will be 74 bulbs altogether. Okay, part B is next. Now, Mr. Wong, on the other hand, spent an equal money on small and large. What is the least number of large bulbs that you could have bought? So again, we start with this one here. Okay, let me just duplicate this to the bottom, okay? So this is the prices for the small and the large, and we need to make the amount the same this time. So 10 and 16, we need to find the lowest common multiple. Okay, so the lowest common multiple of 10 and 16, you can actually list it down. So 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, so on and so forth. For 16, it's 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, and 96, so on and so forth. So the lowest common multiple you can get is 80 here in this case. Okay, so how do we achieve 80? From $10, we times by 8. So we get 32 small light bulbs for $80. From 16, we need to times by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get 80. So 3 times 5 is 15 light bulbs, 15 large light bulbs for $80. Okay, so now you have come up to the lowest common multiple. Why must it be the lowest? Because I want to know the least number of large bulbs you could have bought. Okay, so the lowest common multiple is $80. This is equal amount for the small and large light bulbs. How many large bulbs did this person buy? Mr. Wong bought 15 large light bulbs. Final answer for this question, 15 large light bulbs.